I'm Steve Ackerman with the Best Corporate Events. For many managers and supervisors, delegation can be such a hard thing for us to do. Why? Because we know exactly how something should be done. We know what 100% actually looks like. But we know that we as managers and supervisors need to delegate more. Our workshop takes a look at us being able to do that better. Participants have an opportunity to take a self-assessment, and then we have some conversations and give best practices around 4 major areas of delegation: mindset towards work delegation, delegation conversation practices, delegation execution practices, and avoiding delegation derailers. During the program, participants will be forming an action plan and developing next steps. By doing this program, participants will not only be able to save time for themselves, but will be able to create a more efficient team. Contact us for more information.